Mocha family, on my way to school to do the last day of classes at this homeschool umbrella that I teach at. Yay, yay, I have to administer a final today, so I'm excited about that. But I wanted to talk to you guys about something that's been weighing on my heart. Lately I've been thinking a lot more about tolerance, because I feel like that's like the big thing that's happening in our society. I mean, it's been around for a while, but in the past, whenever we talked about tolerance, we were only talking, about homosexual rights and things like that. That's not what this video is about, even though I'm sure it's probably included. But I'm just concerned because I feel like with the rise of the polarization we experience politically, since Obama became president and now with Donald Trump, I feel like tolerance, it sounds like a good word. It sounds like a good word, but if you think about what tolerance means, it's not really a good word. Do I really want people to tolerate me? I don't really care for your perspective or for what you're doing. But I'm going to tolerate you to the extent that I'm not really going to share my authentic self with you. But I'm just going to live and let live. And to me, it seems more of an issue of a lack of love. Are we teaching our kids and one another to be tolerant because we can't teach them to be loving and to be respectful and to be kind and to express their dissenting position without ripping somebody down and tearing somebody down or discriminating against somebody? Are we not? I feel like if we really love one another, we'll be able to interact even though we differ without damaging one another. And so I wonder if with tolerance, we kind of threw the baby out with the bath water. It's like we can't love. We don't have the ability to love. So the best thing we can reach for is tolerance. And it sounds like a good word again, but the heart behind it doesn't seem very good to me. So I would really love to have a civil conversation in the description box, okay? And I would really like for you to let me know what your thoughts are about tolerance. Is it a good thing? Is it something that can really work? Is it really working? Because I feel like people are afraid at this point to share what they really think about certain things. They don't share their thoughts at all. And so I don't think that that's what we want in a society. I think it's important for us to consider one another's positions, because how can you move forward if only the dominant voice is able to speak? So leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. Be blessed.